अनुमति चाहता हूं। जय श्रीमान।
At the lotus feet of our Divine Master, Bhagwan Shri Sanjay Sai Baba. A very warm welcome to everyone on this beautiful Sunday evening. I'm sure that this will be an evening that everyone will remember for a long time. Before we formally begin this evening function with diya lighting, I would like to invite all the awardees on the dais. Our guest of honor, Honorable Minister Shri Vinod Tawre ji, is expected to join us in some time. I would like to call our chief guest, Dr. Anil Murarka, to come on the stage. Shri Padam Sacheti. Shri Mohan Vidbaukar. Shri Monesh Bachu. Dr. Prabhakar Satpute. Dr. Jayant Kharbase. Shri Mansukh Aglani. Shri Abhijit Rane. What we just saw on the video some time back was a snapshot of the noble work done by these awardees who were chosen for today's function. We are also expecting Shri Thakur Ramesh Singh to join us in a while. As per our tradition and culture, to dispel the darkness of ignorance, I pray to Bhagwan Baba to kindly light the lamp of knowledge. Shri Pratap Thakkar, who is the international chairman of Shri Sanjay Sai Seva organization, will kindly lead Bhagwan for the Diya lighting. We also request everyone to keep their mobile phones on silent mode
and do not take any photographs. Also request the Pratap Thakkar to kindly rise and request the international award function as possible.
And now invite Madam Principal of this esteemed college and also trustee of Shri Sanjay Sai Lok Seva Central Trust, Dr. Chaitali Chakrabarti, to kindly give us the welcome address.
Pranam at the lotus feet of Bhagwan. As one of the trustee of Sri Sanjay Sai Seva Organization, Mumbai chapter, and principal of Thakur College of Science and Commerce, I have the greatest pleasure in having Swami in our college today for blessing all of us. I also welcome all the dignitaries on the dais, Chief Guest Mr. Anil Murarka. I welcome Mr. Pratap Thakkar, the International Chairman of Sri Sanjay Sai Seva Organization. Welcome Amir Bhai of Nepal Sanjay Sai Organization, he's a chairman. All the people all who have joined here, my dear teachers, guests, my students, and all of us. I welcome all of you once again. For me, this is a very important moment because I truly believe that this premise is graced, purified, and blessed by His presence. My association with Satya Sai Baba goes a long way because of my students, and my experience of being a part of this divine mission cannot be put into words. Whatever I had thought for Satya Sai organization, I had worked for them, but I thought of lot of things to get from Satya Sai Baba, but that time I was just, in 7 lakh public, I was one public, and I had great desire to have his Padanamaskar, his Vibhuti, which I could not get in that lifeline, but joining later on after the demise of Satya Sai Baba, Sanjay Sai Baba comes into our life, and he has fulfilled all the dreams what I had dreamt with Satya Sai Baba. So I am blessed to have you, Swami. Life goes on. We see the good, bad, and ugly, but faith keeps us going in a positive direction. Because of my association with Bhagwan, I'm able to introspect and still see positivity in sometimes negative world. This is Swami's 7th divine visit to Mumbai, and I'm honored to have him today with us. My congratulations for all the awardees tonight. An award is a personal glory, but today, getting it from Bhagwan is the ultimate glory, which you might not realize. I realize it now. Swami, I humbly request you to bless my college, me, my vice principal, my teachers, students, and everyone all over here. I know that they will carry with them something unique today. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you very much, Madam Principal, for your kind welcome. I now call the International Chairman of Shri Sanjay Sai Seva Organization, CA Pratap Thakkar, who is also the Managing Trustee of Shri Sanjay Sai Lok Seva Central Trust, to kindly give us a short brief about the organization as well as this award function which has been held for the
With humility and love, I offer myself at the lotus feet of my Lord and Master, Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. Today, is a very auspicious and a red-letter day, at least for our organization, and maybe in the life of some of us also. This is the 7th visit of Bhagwan Baba to bless the city of Mumbai. And we pray that we have many such occasions in the near future and in the far future also. This is the first time we have ventured to start the Sai International Awards night. And we pray to Bhagwan that this goes on year after year or whenever he comes to Mumbai. It is our good fortune that we have found very, very deserving persons for the awardees. Initially, we thought such big people will not accept our small invitation. But by Bhagwan's grace, all of them are here. I salute all the awardees because we have seen ordinary people do ordinary work. We have also seen extraordinary persons doing ordinary work. And we have also seen ordinary people doing extraordinary work. But we have hardly seen extraordinary people doing extraordinary work. These are the awardees here who are extraordinary and done outstandingly well in their life for the poor and the downtrodden. I pray to Bhagwan that he blesses them with more strength and vigor and opportunities to carry on their functions more and more. It is not only these 8 awardees that are singled out in the whole city of Mumbai. It is only because we know them, we know of their activities, and there are hundreds and hundreds of other people who are deserving equally, but we do not know them. Maybe in the years to come, more and more such of them will be coming here. All of them in the same category also we found many, but then we have to select one. In the car, 5 people are seated. All 5 know driving equally well, but on the driver's seat, only one can sit. And we have found the driver's seat people here. So this is with respect to all other individuals and personalities who are either here or who are not here, that we salute them and their activities as well. Talking about Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba, let me tell you, this is the 3rd avatar in the Sai lineage. The first was Shirdi Sai Baba from Shirdi, Maharashtra. The second Sai avatar was Sri Satya Sai Baba from Puttaparthi, Andhra Pradesh. And now we have the 3rd Sai avatar, Sri Sanjay Sai Baba from Nepal. In one of the public meetings, a question was put to Baba: what is the difference between Shirdi Sai Baba, Satya Sai Baba, and Sanjay Sai Baba? And spontaneously, without any hesitation, Baba replied, remove Shirdi, remove Satya, remove Sanjay. Sai Baba is common. Baba always says, don't listen to people what they talk about me. If there are 100 people who speak good about me, there will be 1,000 people who speak bad about me. He gives 3 magic words: come, examine, experience. After you experience, don't deny the validity of your experience. Let that experience be your true treasure. So you have all come. You are examining him with your eyes and ears, and examining his function and his programs also through us, and form your own opinion. The best shortcut to reach God is surrender. Whether you believe him to be God or not, to anyone whom you surrender, he becomes God for you. God is not outside. Your faith is God. जो हमारा अंदर का जो विश्वास है वो भगवान है। पत्थर में विश्वास रखो तो पत्थर की मूर्ति बनती है, उसमें भी भगवान है, हम प्रेयर करते हैं। फोटो में विश्वास रखो तो फोटो में भगवान है। जीवंत आदमी में विश्वास रखो तो जीवंत आदमी भी भगवान है। किसी अच्छे इंसान को भी पूजा करो तो भगवान के स्वरूप बन जाता है। There is no compulsion to believe for anyone to believe in anything. Believe yourself, and your belief is God. The best example of surrender is a log of tree is floating in the river and just goes anywhere where the river is going. The log of tree does not know where it is going, but the river knows where it should be reached. Similarly, if we bow down to the lotus feet of Bhagavan, then we do not know where we will go, but He will know, हमारे मुकाम तक पहुंचा देंगे। लोग तो भगवान को एक लॉटरी की टिकट के जैसे पूजा करते हैं। ये बात भगवान ने कल ही बताई है हमको। लॉटरी की टिकट करोड़ रुपए की है या 100 करोड़ की है, उसकी पूजा होती है, हे भगवान मेरी लॉटरी लग जाए। लॉटरी के दिन में अगर वो नंबर नहीं आया तो जो पूजा की हुई लॉटरी है, जिसकी रोज़ हम पूजा करते हैं, उसको फाड़ के कचरे के डब्बे में डाल देते हैं। ऐसे ही कोई भी भगवान को हम हमारी इच्छा पूर्ति के लिए मानते हैं। अगर इच्छा पूर्ति हुई तो वो भगवान है, अगर नहीं हुई तो ये कौन सा भगवान है। एक बाबा को छोड़ो, दूसरे बाबा को पकड़ो। श्रद्धा हमारी हिल जाती है। किसी को भी पकड़ो, उसमें श्रद्धा पूरी होनी चाहिए, हमारी विश्वास पूरा होना चाहिए, तो वो भगवान आपके लिए बन जाएगा। क्योंकि भगवान बाहर नहीं है, भगवान अंदर है। जो बाहर हम भगवान को बोलते हैं संजय साई बाबा, वो हमको अंतर से दर्शन करवाते हैं कि मैं अंदर हूँ, देखो, झांक के देखो। दैट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ द साई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, SAI, see always inside. लोग यश, कीर्ति और सफलता का लक्ष्य पाने के लिए भगवान को सीढ़ी बनाते हैं कि मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए। हमारा लक्ष्य क्या है? यश चाहिए, कीर्ति चाहिए, सफलता चाहिए। ये पाने के लिए हम भगवान को सीढ़ी बनाते हैं कि इनके जरिए हमें हमारी इच्छा पूर्ति होगी। अरे मानव, भगवान को ही अपना लक्ष्य बनाओ, यश, कीर्ति और सफलता अपने आप आपके कदमों में आके चूमेगी। मानव सेवा इस माधव सेवा, ऐसी सब व्यक्तियों, विभूतियों को देख के हम इससे प्रेरित होते हैं कि ऐसी सेवा करनी चाहिए। एक छोटी सी बात याद आती है, थोड़ा समय लेके मैं आपको बताऊंगा। एक व्यक्ति ने ज़िंदगी में बहुत पाप किए थे, अच्छा काम कुछ नहीं किया था, सिर्फ एक अच्छा काम गलती से उसने कर दिया कि 100 ब्राह्मणों को भोजन करवाया। गुजर गया तो ऊपर गया तो उसको चौपड़े में चित्रगुप्त ने देखा और कहा, तुमको तो 100 साल की नरक है, इतने बुरे काम तुमने किए हैं। तो वो बोला, हाँ ये तो किए है, मुझे पता है, ये तो मुझे सजा मिलनी है, लेकिन एक दिन का स्वर्ग है। अरे एक दिन का स्वर्ग क्यों है? बोलो, तुम पहले स्वर्ग में जाना चाहते हो या पहले नरक में जाना चाहते हो? बोले पहले ये बताओ कि एक दिन का स्वर्ग मुझे क्यों है? बोला, तुमने एक दिन 100 ब्राह्मणों को ब्रह्म भोज करवाया था, भोजन खिलाया था, अन्नदान किया था, श्रेष्ठ दान है, इसलिए तुमको एक दिन का स्वर्ग मिलता है, और बाकी सब पाप के लिए 100 साल की सजा है। तो कहा, मुझे पहले एक दिन का आनंद तो लेने दो, 100 साल के बाद मुझे क्या होगा क्या मालूम एक दिन का, पहले मैं आनंद तो ले लूँ एक दिन का। बोला, उसमें क्या होता है स्वर्ग में, क्या कर सकता हूँ मैं? तुम जो बोलोगे हो जाएगा, बोलो मुँह से 10 मिनट में हो जाएगा, 2 मिनट में हो जाएगा। तो ऐसा ठीक है। स्वर्ग में गया, सबसे पहला काम यह किया, 10,000 ब्राह्मणों को बुलाओ, खाना खिलाओ। एक दिन में उसने 10,000 ब्राह्मणों को खाना खिलाया, उसको 1 महीने का एक्सटेंशन मिला स्वर्ग में। उस एक महीने में उसने इतने पुण्य किए कि भगवान उसे प्रसन्न होकर उसको 1 साल के लिए स्वर्ग में रखा कि तुमको 1 साल का एक्सटेंशन मिलता है, और ये कहने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। जब भी उसे ये प्रतीत हो गया कि अच्छे काम करने का क्या फल मिलता है, तो 1 साल तक उसने सिर्फ सेवा ही सेवा की, सिर्फ अच्छे काम ही किए, और हमेशा के लिए स्वर्ग में ही रह गया। उसका 100 साल नर्क उधार रह गया। हमारी जो विभूतियाँ बैठी है, हम भगवान से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि उनको भी ऐसे स्वर्ग मिले, कायम का स्वर्ग मिले। इतने अच्छे काम उन्होंने यहीं किए हैं, तो ऊपर जाके और भी अच्छा काम करेंगे। आखिर में एक ही छोटी सी बात कहना चाहूँगा। हमारे एक आर्मी के फ्रेंड है, कर्नल है, सभी को लेफ़्ट राइट करवाते हैं। तो एक बार एक सोल्जर का पाँव लेफ़्ट राइट के भी राइट लेफ़्ट हो गया, ठीक से नहीं पड़ा। उसने मार्क कर लिया कि इसके पाँव गलत पड़ रहे हैं, और उसने भी देखा कि मेरी गलती इसने पकड़ ली है। अभी तो आपको मालूम है आर्मी में क्या सज़ा होती है, राइफल ऊपर लेके 100 राउंड लगवाएंगे मेरे को। तो उसके बाजू में गए, चुपके से बोला, परेड के बाद मुझे मिलना। बोला हो गया मेरा पत्ता साफ हो जाएगा। परेड के बाद बेचारा कांपता हुआ मेजर के रूम के बाहर खड़ा रहा। अंदर बुलाया, अरे आओ अंदर आओ, बैठो। नहीं मैं खड़ा ठीक हूँ। बोला नहीं बैठो। ठीक है, चाय पियोगे कॉफ़ी पियोगे? ये बकरे को काटने के लिए खिला पिला रहा है पता नहीं क्या सज़ा मिलने वाली है मेरे को। कुछ नहीं बोला उसने, अच्छी तरह से बात की। सुबह को चाय मिला? बोला हाँ मिला। टोस्ट मिला? बोला मिला। कि टोस्ट के ऊपर बटर मिला? मिला। जैम मिला। तो तुम्हारे कदम पे कदम क्यों नहीं मिला हमको भी भगवान ने इतना अच्छा जन्म दिया है, इतने अच्छे माँ बाप दिए हैं, इतना अच्छा पेशा दिया है। जब हम भी ऊपर जाएंगे तो ये हमको भगवान से सवाल जरूर पूछेंगे कि बेटा तुमको ये मिला, तो मेरे नक्शे कदमों पे तुम्हारे कदम क्यों नहीं मिले। Sri Sanjay Sai Seva Organization is an international organization, and I'm glad to say that the international headquarters is in Mumbai. And Bhagwan gives us the strength to spread this message far and wide to the entire mankind in the whole of this country and all the world at large. We also have with us 2 other chairmen also. The Gopal Krishna is our Mumbai chapter chairman, the proud Mumbai chapter chairman, and we have the national president of Sri Sanjay Sai Seva Organization, Nepal. Nepal is our headquarters. We also have 2 other chapter chairmen here present. One is from Ahmedabad, Mehul Upadhyay. Will you just stand up? Mehul Upadhyay here, give him a loud hand. And we have the chairperson of Oman, who has come all the way from Muscat, Chitra Narayan. She is our first lady chairperson for a chapter internationally. So congratulations to all of you. I invite all of you and give you a hearty welcome, and special welcome to all the awardees and our chief guest Anil Murarka also, and our guest of honor Anil Tavade in absentia. Vinod Tavade in absentia. May I now request our national chairman of Nepal, Shri Amir Bhai, to give a brief about the activities that are carried out in Nepal. Om Shri Sai.
And I would like to express my respected Sairam to all the distinguished guests who are present here today, and my beloved Sairam to all of you who are present here in this glorious program. May I pray at the lotus feet of Swami to allow me to address my small speech in Hindi language. अगर पौराणिक काल में देखा जाए तो हमारे धर्म ग्रंथ और संस्कृति के हिसाब से बोला जाए तो सारा भारतवर्ष एक ही था। हम सारा भारतवर्षवासी एक ही थे। नेपाल, भारत, बांग्लादेश, श्रीलंका, भूटान, अफगानिस्तान, ये सारा हिंदू भारतवर्ष का एक ही राज्य थे। वो सारे राज्य राम राज्य के रूप में थे। और आज पॉलिटिकल हिसाब से थोड़ा फर्क है। इसमें से भी नेपाल और भारत सांस्कृतिक हिसाब से, सोशल हिसाब से, आध्यात्मिक रीति रिवाज, परंपरा, सब हिसाब से एक ही हैं। ये सब हम लोगों को सिखाने के लिए, बुझाने के लिए, और हम सारा भारतवर्षवासी सिर्फ नहीं, सारा विश्ववासी एक है, ये संदेश देने के लिए साई अवतार के जन्म हुए हैं, जिसकी शुरुआत शिरडी साई अवतार से हुआ था। और इसकी और बृहत कार्य और बृहत बनाने की कृपा भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा से मिली, जिसने सारा विश्व में सर्वधर्म की महिमाएं और हमारी सनातन हिंदू धर्म की महिमाएं गुंजायमान की थी। और उसी परंपरा को निरंतरता देने के लिए भगवान श्री संजय साई नवसाई अवतार के रूप में नेपाल में उदयमान हुए हैं। और भगवान श्री संजय साई के नेपाल के मिशन के बारे में मैं थोड़ा सा कुछ शेयरिंग करने के लिए अनुमति चाहता हूँ। विगत 10-15 वर्ष के दौरान में यहाँ तक आने में अब तक भगवान बाबा ने बहुत ही ऐसे सामाजिक सेवा कार्य किए हैं, जिसमें से निःशुल्क विद्यालय श्री संजय साई विद्या मंदिर, जिसमें लगभग 400 से ज़्यादा विद्यार्थी लोग कक्षा नर्सरी से लेके कक्षा 10 तक, अभी इस बरस हमारे विद्यार्थी लोगों ने SLC परीक्षा में प्रथम वर्ष में शामिल होके जांच एग्जामिनेशन दिया है। 2-4 महीने के अंदर रिजल्ट भी आ जाएगा। और 400 बच्चे फ्री निःशुल्क के हिसाब से पढ़ रहे हैं। उनको सभी शिक्षाएं और गुरुकुल शिक्षाएं सब निःशुल्क रूप से दिया जाता है। और हमारे संस्था निःशुल्क जल की सेवा कर रहे हैं काठमांडू के सूखाग्रस्त क्षेत्र में। ऐसे बहुत ही सूखाग्रस्त क्षेत्र है जहां पीने का जल की अभाव है, उसमें सेवा कार्य कर रहे हैं। और निःशुल्क स्वास्थ्य सेवा के कार्य हो रहे हैं, निःशुल्क एम्बुलेंस सेवा के कार्य हो रहे हैं। और दुर्गम क्षेत्र में रहने वाले महिलाएं के लिए, माता के लिए बहुत ऐसे मेडिकल सेवा के कार्य हो रहे हैं। और ऐसे सेवा कार्य भगवान के दिव्य मिशन के बहुत आकर्षण केंद्र बन गया है। सारा का सारा नेपाली लोग इस मिशन में जुड़े हैं। राष्ट्रपति, उपराष्ट्रपति, मंत्रीगण, प्रधानमंत्री सभी लोग आके भगवान के दिव्य कार्य में हेल्पिंग हैंड उपलब्ध करा रहे हैं, सहयोग कर रहे हैं। राष्ट्र भगवान बाबा को जीवित मानव विभूति के रूप में रेस्पेक्ट करके राष्ट्र में एक गरिमामय पहचान बने हैं। हम लोगों को, हम सब जन ऐसे भाग्यवान है। पुट्टपर्थी से शुरू हुई ये साई मिशन, शिरडी से शुरुआत हुई ये साई मिशन, जहाँ सारा विश्ववासी को इकट्ठा करके भगवान श्री सत्य साई ने सनातन धर्म की गरिमाएं उच्च बनाई थी और सारा संसार को, लोगों को मानव धर्म के ये दिव्य कार्य में आमंत्रण किए थे। आज तक भी वो दिव्य कार्य के निरंतर पुट्टपर्ती में हो रहा है। ये उसी दिव्य कार्य के परिचय और नव आगंतुक नेपाली साई समाज और साई भक्त लोग और विश्व समाज को वो दिव्य आकर्षण की परिपूर्ति हेतु भगवान श्री संजय साई बाबा ने जो दिव्य कार्य नेपाल में अभी हो रहा है, ये सब गौरवान्वित विषय है। हम लोग गौरव करते हैं। मैं नेपाल के चेयरमैन के हिसाब से अपनी संस्था के तरफ से यहाँ उपस्थित आप सब लोगों को भगवान बाबा के से ने किए हुए दिव्य कार्य के दर्शन के लिए, देखने के लिए, और इस सिर्फ ये नहीं, नेपाल जो विश्व की द क्राउन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड कहे जाते हैं, देखने के लिए, नेपाल के सुंदर विभिन्न क्षेत्र के भ्रमण के लिए आप सबको आने के लिए भी आमंत्रण करता हूं। और मैं यहाँ से अभी विदा लेना चाहता हूँ। ओम श्री साई राम।
Thank you, Shri Amir Bhai, for taking us through a short journey of the organization activities in Nepal. We now start the award distribution ceremony, and for this I request my colleague Shobha Singh, who is also a very active Sai worker and youth, to continue with the ceremony.
Koti Koti Pranam at the lotus feet of my Master, my Lord, Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and now we'll continue our awards ceremony and move on to the next session presenting award to our esteemed awardees. Our first award in the category of philanthropy goes to Shri Padam Sacheti, who is the owner of Jaipur Gems. He has taken several initiatives to promote and popularize Indian culture and Indian music under the banner of Jaipur Gem Charitable Trust in the name of late father Seth Indrachand Sacheti, with precious guidance from Padma Vibhushan Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Shri Padam Sacheti. Our next award in the category of socio-politics goes to Shri Mohan Midbaukar. He has been a cooperator for over 15 years. In his capacity as Deputy Mayor of Mumbai, he hosted the first divine visit of Bhagwan Baba to Mumbai. Above all, he is an ardent devotee of Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Shri Mohan Midbaukar. Our next award in the category of industrialist goes to Shri Monish Bachu. He has major sponsor for rainwater harvesting project in 2 drought-affected villages in Latur, carried out by Shri Sanjay Sai Seva Organization International Mumbai Chapter. He has also expressed his support for Vriddhashram Kambala Ashram to be set up by Shri Sanjay Sai Seva Organization. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Shri Monish Bachu. Our next award in the category of yoga goes to Dr. Prabhakar Satpute. He is the state president for Mumbai wing of the Patanjali Yoga conducted under the banner of Ramdev Maharaj. His agility and alertness at the age of 71 is the proof to the fact that he practices what he preaches and teaches. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Dr. Prabhakar Satpute. Our next award in the category of selfless social worker goes to Shri Mansukh Gaglani, also known as Biscuit Kaka. He has earned this nickname as Biscuit Kaka because he has been providing nutritious biscuit to Adivasi children. Yet another mammoth task undertaken successfully by him is conducting marriages of 460 tribal socio-economically weak Adivasi girls. He's an 85 years old. I'm really sorry for mistake. 85 years young and going. Our next award under the category of doctor and medical practitioner goes to Dr. Jayant Kharbise. Dr. Kharbise is a renowned cardiac surgeon. He has the distinguished credit of performing more than 5,000 heart surgeries. He actively participates free medical camps for cardiac problems and renders valuable medical support. Our next award in the category of music and arts goes to Shri Abhijit Rane, who entertained us with his musical performance this evening. He is a well-known singer and music composer. He's a versatile personality who can draw, sketch, sing, as well as act, in addition to the composing beautiful music. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Shri Abhijit Rane.
Last but not the least, of course, our chief guest, we would like to offer a small token of love and affection for Shri Anil Murarka. We also have the great pleasure of recognizing all the philanthropic sponsors who have from time to time supported various projects and programs of the Sanjay Sai organization. Before we announce their names, let me take the liberty of reading out the token of appreciation which is being presented to them. In sincere appreciation of your philanthropic nature, particularly in supporting the humanitarian initiatives and activities of Bhagwan Shri Sanjay Sai Baba and his allied trusts and institutions, the Shri Sanjay Sai Seva Organizations International expresses its deep sense of gratitude to your good self. With your generous contributions over the years and participation in our projects and programs, you have demonstrated deep commitment towards upliftment of have-nots of our society and to the humanity at large. We trust for such more opportunities to work together in years to come and pray at the lotus feet of Bhagwan Baba to shower his choicest blessings on you and to always guide and guard you and your family from time to time and forever. Given on this auspicious day of Sai International Awards function on the 30th day of April 2017, celebrated in the immediate divine presence of Bhagwan Baba at Mumbai, India. This is the certificate and appreciation being given to them. I now call upon Mrs. Preeti Javeri to kindly read out the names of all the recipients of this memento, and they can receive the same from divine hands.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Loving Sai Rams to all of you. It gives me great pleasure to announce the names of the recipients of the Token of Love. All the recipients here have generously donated valuable, I would use the word, not money, but really something so precious for the social upliftment and the progress of the organization. I would like to call upon them to please come on stage and accept the token of love. Shri Nitin Kopikar, Mumbai. Quickly. Shri Pratap Thakkar, Mumbai. Shri Mehul Upadhyay, Ahmedabad. Shri Harshad Parmar, Mumbai. Shri Sanjay Upadhyay, Ahmedabad. In absentia, Shri Anil Kumar Jaipura, Karnataka. Shri Dharmendra Sitpura, Mumbai. Dr. Vidyut Naram of the K.R. Naram Parivar, Mumbai. Mrs. Varada Palkar. In absentia, Shri Jagdish Raheja, USA. Shri Monish Bachu, Mumbai. In absentia, Shri Narendra Bhatt, Jaipura, Karnataka. Shri Gopalakrishna Venkataraman, Mumbai. Dr. Chaitali Chakrabarti, Mumbai.
दोस्तों, it requires lot of efforts to reach here. ये तालियों में कंजूसी क्यों कर रहे हो भाई?
एक छोटा सा कंसेशन है, जिसके आम में दर्द है वो तालियां मत बजाना.
Shri Venkatesh Krishnamurthy in absentia, Florida. Shri Jayavant Bhatt, absentia, Jaipura, Karnataka. Shri Venugopal in absentia, Chikmagalur, Karnataka. Shri Sri Nagesh, Chikmagalur, Karnataka. Shri Kumar Iyer, Ahmedabad. Shri Narayanan Iyer, Mumbai. Mrs. Chitra Narayanan, Muscat. Shri Sundareshan, Vashi, Mumbai. Shri Ruparel Parivar from Mumbai. Jeetu Sitpura, Mumbai. Thank you very much, all of you, for blessing and also for the token of love that was offered by you, and in return, how Bhagwan Baba is going to give you tons and tons of love. Om Shri Sai Ram. Thank you.
So many awards have been given by Bhagwan to us for the small work that we have done. But for the great blessing that Bhagwan has given us, what award are we going to give him? Ourselves is a good answer. Let us resolve, all of us, to follow the great dignitaries on the dais of spreading love and seva. Love all, serve all, help ever, hurt never. This will be our greatest award to Bhagwan.
Thank you very much. Prem Dakshina is a pet project of Sai organization and Bhagwan Baba himself. This project envisages running of the only free school in Nepal, Shri Sanjay Sai Vidya Mandir, which has around 350 students from nursery to the 10th standard. The Prem Dakshina program is a program whereby any individual can sponsor one student for rupees 10,000 per year for the desired number of students. This amount covers completely the cost of entire education, lab charges, and all the charges for the extracurricular activities being carried out by the school. We have today more than half the students already being sponsored by individuals from all over the world. Very soon, with Bhagwan's blessing, we hope to sponsor all the students and make this free institution exemplary in Kathmandu, Nepal. Maybe with Bhagwan's permission, take the pleasure of recognizing the good gesture of all the sponsors by quickly reading out their names. I'm sure most of the recipients are already present in this auditorium. All the certificates will be blessed by the divine hands and they can be collected after this function so that we can quickly move on to the next one. Before I request Preeti Javeri to announce the name of the sponsors, may I request Shobha to read out the appreciation certificate which is being given to them.
In sincere appreciation of your philanthropic nature that demonstrates deep commitment towards supporting the humanitarian initiatives and activities of Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba and his allied trusts and institutions, the Sri Sanjay Sai Seva Organization International expresses its deep sense of gratitude to your good self. In particular, your generous contributions over the years and enthusiastic support to the Prem Dakshina initiative, the Bhagwan Baba's only free school in Nepal, is highly appreciated as it will improve the education system as a whole. We trust that you'll continue this encouragement in the years to come. Our sincere prayers at the lotus feet of Bhagwan Baba to shower his choicest blessings on you and to always guide and guard you and your family from time to time and forever. Given on this auspicious day of Sai International Award functions on the 30th day of April 2017, celebrated in the immediate divine presence of Bhagwan Baba at Mumbai,